Alright, so Namaste everyone. I am Kanchan Singh from Kathmandu, Nepal, and I'm very happy to get an opportunity to share my yoga experience with you all online on the screen. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity. Any discomfort or if you have any physical issues, you can go up to your own level. Please do not force yourself. Just go up to your own as you feel comfort. So let's start. You have any posture. You can sit in this way or in this way, or if you can, a little bit in and sit comfortably. Your hands resting on knees, tip up to index and thumb touching, and rest of fingers relaxing. Main thing, your back is straight, chest lifted up, your belly in and tight. You tighten your abdomen, eyes closed and mouth closed. Take time to adjust yourself and feel easy on this position. Back is straight, eyes closed, mouth closed, and try to bring a kind of stability or motionless stage in your physical body. Try to be at one line, fixed there, and for 2 minutes, let the thing happen. Your breath is coming and going. Let your breath come when it comes. Let your breath go when it goes. So your breath is naturally coming and going. Let it happen. Your mind is thinking. Let your mind think. Sometime there, sometime there. So your mind is thinking. So let your mind think. Let your breath come and go. And let your body be there on easy position. So you have three things: your body, your breath, and your mind. Try to be aware of three things: body, breath, and mind. Now we are going to connect our mind to our breath. So slowly bring your mind to your breath and try to feel your natural flow of breath. How your breath is naturally going on. Feel it. Try to be with your breath and be happy with your breath. It's going on. Let the happiness come from inside. Feel your breath and be happy. And now we're going to take 7 conscious breath. Conscious means your mind is aware of your breath. Slowly, gently inhale. Deeply fill your lungs with maximum amount of air. Try to take as deep as possible for you. Exhale completely, slowly and gently, no rush when you are taking breath. Inhale, slowly, gently fill your lungs with maximum amount of air. Exhale completely. 5 more. Inhale deeply, as deep as possible for you. And exhale completely. 4 more. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeper, longer. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale deeply and retain your breath inside for 5 of my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale completely. Now bring your palms at the center of your chest. Feel yourself. Feel the I inside in your physical body who has been saying, I am this, I am that. Feel that I and surrender yourself to that I. And slowly open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you very much for joining me. Namaste.